Hi, hello students, welcome to AIA TV, and in this video session we are discussing May June pre-release material 2020 for computer science. Okay, so already we have discussed and we have completed task 1. You all might have gone through the previous videos before. Use appropriate data structures, allow customer to choose specific phone or tablet. Task 1, yeah, we have completed already. Today in this video session we are going to implement task 2, continue with task 1. So let's see what is task 2. Allow a customer to order multiple mobile devices. In task 1 we already did for only one device, whether it is phone or tablet, and SIM free or pay as you go, etc. These things we have done already in task 1. So what we are going to do in task 2 is, again we are asking the customer to purchase devices if they require. Okay. Allow a customer to order multiple devices. Extend task 1. So we are going to use the same task 1 to continue with task 2. Offer the customer the opportunity to purchase an additional mobile device if they want to purchase. If required, perform bullet steps for task 1 2 to 7. Here it is 2 to 7. Okay, so these things we are going to repeat again if they want to buy a new device. That is what the task 2 we are doing. Once no further devices are required, output the total customer will need to pay. Okay, so this process we are going to repeat if the customer wants to buy an additional mobile device or anything. Am I clear? Yes. So let's continue with task 2. I repeat, task 2 we are going to ask the customer to choose if they want to buy another device. They can continue with that. Offer the customer the opportunity to purchase an additional mobile device. If they require, we can continue the same steps given below. Okay, and in the previous video some of the students were having doubt on I have used do until some conditions there, right? Yeah, x and loop. So this is used in only just basic, and also the another thing is this same meaning of using a repeat until x. Okay, so this is the loop we are dealing in just basic program as do until. Here it shows. You can look at this statement, I think, right? Do until, which is equal to repeat loop. Repeat until, the same meaning. Okay, so don't confuse with when you see it is not a new loop, it is just a repeat loop which we are using in different format. That's it. Okay, different programming languages, high level languages uses different formats. So that is what we are doing here. So don't bother about it. This is a repeat until loop. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay, so welcome to the programming. We have did the task 1 already. It is showing on the screen. Here it is. Here you go. Okay, so how are you going to do task 2? That is the next question, right? The simple thing, you have done this for only one mobile device, whether it is phone or tablet. You have executed everything, these things, isn't it? Now you are going to repeat the same item, same process one more time if the customer requires. We are not going to repeat unlimited time. If the customer want, we can repeat. Okay, so what we have to do, we will get the option from the customer. What do you say? We can get the customers, okay, do you want to buy, yes or no? Okay, so we are going to use the same loop again. Do until say for example x as input. Dollar is going to get some text string data type as we discussed already. If you use a dollar symbol here, which means the data type is text. So do until this repeats n or n. Okay. So what does this means? What is going to happen? I am going to repeat everything which we did it in task 1. I am going to repeat everything until the input is n. N means no here. Okay, so where are you going to get input? Input do you want to buy an additional, okay, within bracket, yes or no, that is X dollar. Okay, so hope this statement you are making is clear. After executing everything, okay, we are starting the program. Say for example, first time, do until x is equal to n. Is now the value of x is n? No, it is not n. If it is so, everything is going to repeat. Okay, get the mobile or tablet, SIM card or cases and charger, everything. Then your output for the current purchases. Then after you are printing the total amount, you are going to get input. Do you want to buy an additional device? Okay, so now we are going to make loop. Then one more thing I have missed to explain is, once no further device is required, output the total customer will need to pay. That is called running total. They have mentioned here, right? Say for example, you are buying one device. Okay, for that device, how much you are going to pay? Then again you want to buy another device, then for that device how much you are going to pay. So both total together is known as running total. That is what it is mentioned. Perform 2 to 7 tasks for each additional device. Calculate a running total for the customer. Once no further devices are required, output the total of customer will need to be paid. Clear? Okay, so here I repeat the steps. Okay, do until x is equal to n, which means the input x is going to be n, then the loop stops, right? When the loop stops, we have to output the running total. So I'm going to make run total equal to run total plus total, as we are calculating before, is total price. This is for current billing, right? Mobile or a tablet or SIM card and luxury case, that total we are adding it a running total, and again if it repeats, the process repeats the same. Okay, now the another thing which we are going to do is, the program says if the input is n, then only it will stop. So what about a b c d if I input? Process repeats, right? So in that case, if x dollar equal to, okay, if you are not using this also, we will discuss that later. Okay, so if the input is n, the loop stops, otherwise it will repeat. Okay, the another problem here is, say for example, first time you are getting input of op, that is option, right? Option you are giving is 1. Then again if you are going to say you need to buy another device, which means the option will be repeat the same process. Now look at what is the error. Okay, I'm executing here. So look at this program. I'm selecting mobile as a devices. Okay, which mobile you want to buy? I'm buying the as it is previous second one, clamshell. So SIM pay as you go, standard case, and I'm purchasing home charger. So now something it is printed as a output, right? Okay, now the computer is asking for input. Do you want to buy an additional? I'm just saying yes. So what is happening? Why it is immediately showing the mobile devices? What is the problem in it? Right? Because already we have selected one here as OP. That is what I was about to say. Okay, look at this program. Once we executed first time, I have selected OP is 1 and I am continuing the further steps. That means OP is not changing. So next when you start executing the loop, the OP remains same, the value is 1. That is why immediately it is showing the mobile options. You see that? When I press Y, immediately it is showing the mobile options, phone options. Okay. Again, you can buy a phone only, then the process will continue. So hope it's clear what is the mistake we are making. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset all the values. OP equal to 0. Then what else? SIM equal to 0. CS, that is case, equal to 0. Charger equal to 0. So I will show you those variables. This is OP. OP equal to 0. Okay. Then the next variable is, here it is, SIM. SIM is 0. Then the next variable we are going to deal is CS, that is for case. We are just resetting the value each time you are executing. Okay. Then CH, charger. So these variables we are setting as 0, and one more variable we are going to set as 0 is tot equal to 0. Otherwise the previous total will be counted next. Okay, now listen. So I'm buying tablets. Second one I'm buying luxury cases, home charger. So now the total amount is 365, right? I'm pressing Y for additional device. Now it is asking for again, do you want to buy mobiles or tablets? I'm saying mobiles. So immediately that option will be displayed. Okay, enter the mobile you want to buy, option 3. Do you want to get free SIM card or pay as you go SIM card? I'm saying free SIM card. Luxury case I'm giving. Then both charges. So the current total is 285 and the previous total is 365. So now again the computer is asking you, do you want to buy an additional device? If they want, they can give yes, or if I press no, the total should be output. I forgot to print it there. Sorry. Okay. We have to output the running total here. I forgot that. Sorry for that. Print the whole total is running total. That's it. So now the program is ready for task 2. See, I repeat, I didn't do much changes. I just used a loop for asking for the next input. Do until x is n and resetting the values by 0. Then asking for the next input, do you want to buy, and counting the run total, calculating the running total by using the previous total variable. This total is for only one device, one mobile or tablet, SIM card, charger, case. But this running total for that particular customer, how many number of devices they are buying, all those devices total will be taken in the run total. Okay, so that is what loop will be getting over. Then finally you are printing the whole total as running total. So that is what the task 2. Offer the customer the opportunity to purchase an additional mobile device. We are doing it. If required, we are just repeating those steps. Step 2 to 7 for additional device. Calculate the running total. Once no further devices are required, output the total the customer need to pay. So we have done task 2 now. I will execute once again. Listen carefully. One mobile I am buying, clamshell, pay as you go, luxury case, car charger. So what is the total it shows? 129.97. Okay. Then again I am going to buy an additional device. One tablet I am going to buy. The third one. which case you want, standard or luxury case. Standard case. Which charger you want? I am saying 4. So this total is 515 and the previous total is 129.97. When I say no, I don't want to buy further products, it will output the whole total. Can you see this? So do you understand the changes we are making in it? These are the statements we are adding. 4 statements from the bottom and these many statements from the top. Hope it's clear with that. Thank you for watching this video. So today you have learned how to complete the task 2. Students, hopefully you understand. Note it down in your notebook, and task 3 will be uploaded tomorrow. Thank you for watching and subscribe the channel. Thank you.